there's a record of everything.
So basically, I just need the domain for my website, basically, and then with that domain, I could have everything else done through you guys.
Exactly, and you can get started.
I don't even need to create my, because I was talking to this guy that does websites. Basically, everything you just showed me, that's what I wanted for my personal website.
Yeah.
So, but
if you're getting something built custom, you might get a website, but you're not going to get this, like the back end.
So I think since this one is already interfaced with everything else that I'm doing, I think that's a better option.
Yeah, it's better option. It's also a cheaper option because if you try to get someone to build all of this from scratch, it's
a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot. Yeah.
Starting 2Gs just to get started, then everything else to add on is just extra.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
Well, let's set up a online demo with them because I mean it seems like this is what we were looking.
This is exactly. Yeah, this is.
All right, we'll set it up with you.
All right, you got your details. So next week we're sending out that email, and we'll also be reaching out to you.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate your time.
No, you're welcome.